this is Amy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own hand sanitizer. It's super quick and easy. Let's get started.
The materials we need are, first, minimum 70% alcohol solution, because the CDC states that the hand sanitizer needs to contain at least 60% alcohol to be effective. Another important ingredient is aloe vera gel. This will prevent your hands from drying out. The next ingredient is essential oil. This will make your hand sanitizer smell much better, but it's optional. You don't have to add it. We also need a measuring cup, a mixing bowl, a whisk, and a spray bottle. Today, I will be using a used facial toner spray bottle because I'm always environmental friendly. Please make sure the mixing bowl and the whisk are cleaned because any other contaminants or bacteria will severely affect the sanitizer's potency. Now, we are mixing the aloe vera gel with 95% alcohol solution. Please simply remember the ratio 1 to 2. Basically, mix 1 share of aloe vera gel with 2 shares of alcohol. Optionally, you can add a couple drops of your favorite essential oil. Then, you use a whisk to mix the ingredients together until it gets a consistency feeling. Finally, pour the mixture into a spray bottle. And voila! Your own hand sanitizer is now ready to use. Please remember the hand sanitizer does not remove all the germs. Washing your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds is the best option to remove the germs and protect yourself. Stay safe.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment below on what you'd like to learn. Please consider subscribing if you enjoyed today's video. I will see you guys next time. Cheers!